You got to look at the limbs, see which way they're hanging. Saw the bottom a little bit first, take it off from the top, never pinch the saw. Now that I've said never pinch the saw, watch it happen. By the way, if you want to make a really fast shelter, find a downed tree, cut the bottom limbs off, put the bottom limbs over the top, use the arch, the support of the tree, and the limbs to support your shelter. Get right under there, makes a pretty fast home out in the bushes. You kind of got to get the rhythm going. The tree's going to bob back and forth. Lift it up a little bit at the right time, push down on it, pull it towards you. Don't make the saw work, let it work. Be smarter than the saw, smarter than the wood. You'll get it done fast. Put your knee against it if it's wobbly. Pull it towards you as you push down. Push down as you pull it towards you. Oop, that's a little green tree. We ain't cutting that one. It's about a 2-inch limb. It really is just that fast. Put your leg against it, pull against your leg. Lighten the pressure, push it forwards, pressure down. The handle's curved, get a hold of it back here. Pull. You're not hanging on to the tree bobs, get the rhythm going. Let it bob, pull it back, let it bob, pull it back. Oh, this one's wet. Okay, that's enough for that. This is Brad, sharpensbest.com. The saw would be invaluable out in the woods, especially if you're lost or stranded. It doesn't weigh much, 20 bucks. Fiskars, buy one. Take it with you when you head for the woods. This is Brad. Look us up on YouTube, sharpensbest.com. We'll see you down the road.